Animal chef videos are absolutely dominating the internet right now, capturing the hearts of millions across platforms like YouTubeShorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Millions of views, endless shares, and creators skyrocketing to fame. Take this one channel with just 11 animal chef videos has already gained 58,000 subscribers, and one of their videos has hit a jaw-dropping almost 11 million views. Now, here's the kicker: you don't need to be a professional animator or spend a fortune on fancy software to create your own viral animal chef videos. In fact, with just a few free AI tools and a bit of creativity, you can join this trend and start racking up views today. Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these irresistibly fun videos that everyone loves. And here's the cherry on top: by the end, I'll reveal a game-changing hack to make your videos fully monetizable across every platform. If that sounds exciting, hit that like button to help this video reach more creators just like you. And if you're new here, welcome to Money Making Secrets, where I teach you how to leverage AI to create viral content and turn it into profit. Let's get cooking with these adorable animal chefs. The first step in creating these viral animal chef videos is to draft image prompts that capture the exact vibe and aesthetic of the top performing content in this niche. Now, I know what you're thinking: this sounds like it should be easy, but trust me, crafting detailed, high-quality image prompts can be time-consuming and tricky. That's why I'm here to make it simple for you. I've gone ahead and created a ready-to-use prompt that will help you generate the perfect images for your video. This prompt will match the style of the most successful animal chef content out there, so you don't have to spend time figuring it out on your own. You'll find the prompt in the video description below. Just copy it and use it in your AI tool of choice. And hey, if you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It lets me know that you want to see more content like this. Now, let's dive into the prompt together. Let's move on to generating image prompts. I'll be using an AI tool called Claude AI, but you can also use ChatGPT if you prefer. To begin, open your browser, search for Claude AI, and sign up or log in. Once you're logged in, copy the prompt template we've prepared, paste it into Claude AI, and specify how many image prompts you need. For this demo, I requested 5 prompts, but you can request up to 15 to give yourself plenty of material to work with. This ensures your final video will be at least 1 minute long, ideal for TikTok monetization. Now that we have our image prompts ready, let's move on to generating images using a text-to-image generator. You can use any AI tool you prefer, but for this tutorial, we'll be working with Leonardo AI. To get started, open your web browser, search for Leonardo AI, and click on the first link in the search results. On their website, click Get Started, and on the login page, choose to continue with Apple, Google, or Microsoft. Once logged in, you'll receive 150 free tokens to generate images. Next, let's tweak a few settings to achieve the hyper-realistic results we're aiming for. First, set the model to Leonardo Phoenix under the preset options. Adjust the preset style to dynamic and increase the contrast to high for more vibrant images. Then click More to set the aspect ratio to 9:6, which is ideal for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Once our settings are ready, I'll switch back to Claude AI, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI. To enhance the results, I'll add hyper-realistic image at the end of the prompt and click Generate. In just a few seconds, Leonardo AI produces 4 stunning images. Take a look at how amazing they are. These visuals are truly breathtaking. Let me know in the comments if you're excited to try this yourself. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the process so far. Now, I'll go back to Claude AI, grab the second image prompt, and repeat the process in Leonardo AI, keeping hyper-realistic image in the text. Again, within moments, we'll have another set of incredible images. Stay tuned as I generate the remaining visuals to keep the momentum going. Once all your images are ready, download them to your device so we can move on to the next step, turning these visuals into engaging videos using Hailuo AI. To begin, open your browser, search for Hailuo AI, and click on the first link in the results. On the website, select Sign in the top right corner, and on the login page, choose to continue with Google. After logging in, existing users receive 100 free tokens daily, while new users enjoy a 3-day free unlimited trial. Now, I'll upload the first image. Once it's uploaded, I'll copy the corresponding image prompt from Claude AI, paste it into the prompt field, and click Create to let Hailuo AI start generating the video. I'll then queue up 2 more images to streamline the process. Keep in mind that free users might experience slower generation times, so patience is key. To save time, you can also log in with another Gmail account or consider one of Hailuo AI's paid plans. Upgrading or using multiple accounts can help ensure your projects move along smoothly and efficiently. With our images turning into stunning videos, we're one step closer to completing our creative project. Once all the video clips are generated, download them to your device, and we're ready to move on to the next step. With our clips in hand, let's enhance their quality using CapCut Video Upscaler. To get started, open your browser, search for CapCut Video Upscaler, and click on the first link that appears in the results. On the website, click Upload Video to add your clip. After the upload is complete, select your desired resolution such as 1080p or 4K for a crisp, high-quality result. Then, click Upscale to begin the enhancement process. Once the upscaling is finished, click Export and download the upgraded video to your device. Stick around as I move on to upscale the remaining clips. Taking the time to enhance each video ensures that the final product is polished and professional, perfect for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Now that all our video clips have been upscaled, it's time for the final step, editing our complete video. For this tutorial, I'll be using the desktop version of CapCut, but feel free to use any editing software you're comfortable with. If you've made it this far, you're doing amazing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. And if you're finding this video helpful, a quick thumbs up would mean a lot. To begin, I'll click Create Project in CapCut and import all the video clips we've upscaled. Then, I'll drag the clips onto the timeline to start building the video. Since this is a demo, our video won't reach the full 1 minute length required for TikTok monetization. However, remember to ensure your final video is at least 1 minute long for monetization eligibility. Next, I'll highlight all the clips and set the aspect ratio to 9:6 to optimize the video for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. I'll also adjust each clip slightly to crop out the Halo AI logo. To give the video a polished flow, I'll add transitions. Head over to the Transitions tab, select Blade Fade, and drag it between the first and second clips. I'll reduce the transition duration to 0.1 seconds for a subtle effect, and then click Apply to All to apply it to the entire video. Now, let's add text to label each chef and their dish or similar details. At the top of the timeline, I'll insert a text field and type who's cooking to introduce the video. I'll adjust the font size, make it bold, and choose a color that enhances visibility. For the second clip, I'll return to Claude AI to copy the chef's name and the dish they're preparing, then add those details as a text overlay. Repeat this process for each clip to ensure every section is properly labeled. To make the video more visually appealing, let's enhance the color settings. Navigate to Custom Adjustment and apply it to all the clips. I'll tweak the settings as follows: Saturation 10, Contrast 10, Highlights -10, Shadows 10, Sharpness 10, Clarity 10, Vignette 15. Finally, let's add a touch of atmosphere. Go to the Effects tab, search for fog, and drag it above the video clips. I'll adjust the fog's intensity to 30% for a soft, cinematic feel. And there you have it, a professional and polished video ready to captivate your audience. Let me know in the comments how your project is coming along, and don't forget to share your final video on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. To make your video even more engaging, let's add some background music. Choosing a trending track on the platform you're posting to can help boost visibility and increase your chances of going viral. For this tutorial, I'll be using a soundtrack I downloaded from Epidemic Sound. Here's how to add it. Import the soundtrack into CapCut and drag it onto the timeline, placing it below your video clips. Trim the music to match the length of your video, ensuring a seamless fit. Adjust the volume so that it complements the visuals without overpowering any dialogue or on-screen text. Once everything is polished and you're satisfied with the final look and sound of your video, click Export to save it to your device. And that's it. Let's check out the final result: your beautifully crafted, professional video ready to captivate your audience. Wow, that turned out absolutely amazing. With the techniques we covered in this video, you're now fully equipped to create your own unique and entertaining animal chef videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support makes all the difference and helps us continue creating content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.